Welcome back. Today we are talking about how to properly use gears in an automatic car, especially on slopes, in traffic, and when parking. These tips will not only keep you safe but also help you to protect your car in the long run. Driving on slopes. Never drive in neutral or end position while going downhill. This can be very dangerous because you lose engine braking. On gentle slopes, you can use drive position. On steeper slopes, shift to a lower gear such as 3, 2 or lower, depending on how steep the slope is. This gives you better control and uses engine braking properly. Shifting between gears. Do not shift between drive and reverse positions while the car is moving. Most of us do this mistake when we are turning in a smaller area. This is dangerous to your gearbox. Always come to a complete stop first, then move the gear lever to reverse or drive position. Avoid shifting into drive or reverse position when the engine RPM is high. RPM is engine revolution per minute. When it's over 1000, do not move your gear lever to drive or reverse position. Only shift your gear to drive or reverse position when the RPM is at idle, that's around 1000 or below. Do not rest your hand on gear lever while driving. Once you have selected the correct gear, keep both hands on the steering wheel. In traffic jams, don't keep the car in drive position with your foot on brake for long periods. Instead, shift to neutral and hold the brake. If you have to wait for a longer time, apply parking brakes after shifting to neutral position. When you want to park your vehicle, do not shift your gear lever directly into parking position. The correct sequence is shift to neutral position, apply the parking brakes, and then move the gear lever to parking position. Avoid parking on steeper slopes whenever possible. The lock mechanism in parking can be damaged if the car rests heavily on it. Instead, always find a flat ground, shift to end position, apply the parking brakes, then shift your gear to parking position, and finally switch off the engine. Let me explain gear positions in an automatic driving car. P is parking position, used when parking the car. Reverse is reverse position. You use this position to move the vehicle backward. Neutral or N is to disconnect the engine from the wheels. D, drive. It's normal forward driving position. 3. Forward driving with more control, useful on moderate downhill slopes. 2. More control than 3 for steeper downhill driving. Low, maximum engine braking for very steep slopes. Shift lock. This is a switch that is available in most of the cars that helps you to move the gear lever to end position when the car won't start. And there are other types of gearboxes. Tiptronic gear system is one of those. These gearboxes allow manual shifting in addition to automatic transmission. When you shift to lower gears, they give you extra control when driving down hills. In addition to that, these gears help you to drive your vehicle like a manual car. What is sport mode? Sport mode makes the car more responsive and performance oriented. There are four main types of automatic gear systems. Torque converter automatic that works like solar system, and then continuous variable transmission system, where there are two variably changing wheels connected to a steel belt, which gives the rider a very comfortable ride. Then there are dual clutch transmissions, which are mostly used in racing designs. And automated manual transmission is when you have automatic clutch and you can go on transmitting your gears without applying a clutch. In old days, Honda MD90 is an example. Learning how to use automatic gears correctly will keep your vehicle safe, extend its life, and give you a smoother driving experience. Learn more and save more. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, like it, and share it for your friends, family members, relatives to get knowledgeable. Thank you.